I feel like I blinked and it's July. Do you feel the same way? I hope you're able to keep up with everything. Hi, I'm Saralee Hofrichter of SaraLeeHofrichter.com, here with the July 2024 Crystal Tarot card energies. And when I look back at the cards that I've pulled during this series so far, it feels like I've pulled a lot of earth cards and water cards. And what this indicates to me is that we're seeking a balance between the material reality of being a human on this earth and our emotions. Does that feel true for you? This isn't always an easy task. And as the Crystal Nature Tarot card this month suggests, when I sat quietly, I pulled 4 of water. Can you see that okay? 4 of water, emotional frailty. And in traditional tarot, this is 4 of cups. And the cups are all about emotions. So this is what this month potentially could feel like. Things have been going pretty well and you're grateful, but perhaps a little doubt is creeping in. Excuse me. And you're starting to question things. You may feel a bit clingy and possessive where love is concerned. Your nerves are kicking in and you feel emotionally frail without a lot of energy, clarity, or motivation to make the changes that you would like to. Don't despair. Our crystal ally this month that wants to help is pink tourmaline. Here's some beautiful pink tourmaline in quartz. And her sweet, sweet message this month is, I bring a lightness of being and help unclog your heart and upper chakras. I'm about healing, expanding, and clearing the way so that you can love consciously, courageously, calmly, and clearly. I speak the truth to your heart. I am. That's who I am. So if you are starting to feel yourself going down an emotional path this month, here are a few tips that you might want to consider. Slow down. Take some time to get quiet and go within. Reconnect with your heart and the dreams held there. And support your heart chakra by befriending pink tourmaline. Hold her close while meditating or put her under your pillow and ask for her support and guidance as you sleep. And lastly, do something that helps bring calmness to your nervous system. What does that look like for you? It could look like taking a bubble bath or a walk in nature or being near water and going for a nice slow swim. Oh, I wish you much time to take for yourself this month and much peace and calmness in your heart. Sending you so much love. If you want any help or support along the way, I'm here. Take good care and I'll talk with you soon. Bye for now.